Hello, good morning. Today I'm here with a video documentation on how we can create H5P quiz or a tool, articles, items on and embed them on Moodle course. H5, H5P is totally new for me and I got it from Nelly Dosh. She suggested adding items with this tool. So I logged into H5P website. They have a particular site here. We can create an account with our Google Gmail ID. And once we get logged into this, we find this page like this. So this is my username. So we have these buttons here, menus here. So let's see how we can create. So let me click contents, create new content. So we have so many options like what item we are supposed to create. So we have to decide. 1 minute, let's go back again. My account, contents, create new content. These are the available options. We can create quiz, we can create Twitter used feed, interactive book. So lots of possibilities, no, really wonderful. So we can go to these things later. I just created one quiz. Let's see how we can create a quiz. This is the quiz section. So we can give it a name, title, quiz introduction. All these technicalities, leave it. So we can do these things later once we get accustomed to these features. See, these are the question section. This is, for example, we can add questions. So now we can see two question windows here. Now three questions. Let me begin with my first question. This is the first question. I'm editing it, I'm creating it. First of all, let's see how we can check. So questions are of different types, multiple, drag and drop, fill in the blanks. Let's choose multiple choice. So this is the multiple choice question. Okay, question number 1. We can create a question here. After creating the questions, we can go for options. These are the available options. Option number 1, option number 2, like this. So we can create option, and that we can add more options with this button. So there is another feature here, feedback. So suppose somebody gives you the right answer, we have to give him the good feedback. Bravo, well done, good job, whatever I said. Feedbacks are really important. So feedback also has got 3 sections. So maybe suppose the learner or somebody who take the test choose one answer. So going to choose. So suppose he's going to choose it, you can give him some clues. And when he chooses the answer, maybe if it is a good choice, you can congratulate him. And if he's going to leave, you can give him another prompt, whatever I said. So usually we can think about the congratulatory part, the beginning and the last part may be up to you. Maybe we can do it depending on the type of test we are doing. So this is how we are going to create questions. After creating the questions, so we have to save it. Save button is at the end, finished. Okay, save. So this is how we create quiz. Once we complete the task, You can, so I'm not going to do all these things again because I have already done one quiz. I'll show you how the, the my quiz section right now. 1 minute, 1 minute. Go back, my account, the recent content. This is the test I created, quiz I created. Let me click it. So I have already set the design one question at a time. My question, why are communicative activities important for ESL classrooms? So given three options. Suppose I click this. This is not the right answer. Let's see what happens. Check. See, these are the clues, feedback items, text I have already set. They test grammatical competency of learners. So the take care, this is not the right answer. I gave this word, take care. Fine. The next one, when you have one more answer, they encourage, and so I gave this, don't go away. You can create your own feedback terms. Fine. So we can finish the quiz. So I answered only one question and I didn't get any point at all. So this is what happens when you do the quiz, take the quiz. Again, let's go back to the quiz. This is the quiz. This is my quiz. I'm going down, further down. At the end of the question. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's see, view my quiz, view my activity. Below that activity, you can find this thing, embed. Just click embed and copy it. Control C. Fine. Well done. See, this is how we can, simple, so simple. After copying it, we can go to our page. Where is it? Teamwork, whatever is it? This is my collaborative design, ESL. Collaborative design, course design, ESL communicative activities. This is the page. And I want to, suppose I want to add this here. I have to turn on editing. Editing is turned on. Add an activity. So here again we have so many activity designs, and we have to go back to go to actually something that accommodates HTML. Let's see what happens. Go down. We have journal, book. I beg your pardon. Page. Go to page. Resources, page. So you have to give it a name, describing the activity. We have to type some words to describe the type of activity we are supposed to post here. And further down the content area, we have to click here. We find this embed button, this button. And once we click it, here comes the space. Let's paste the embed code here. Once we place the embed code here, Control V, this is the embedded code. Fine. Now we can go back to the embed code again, click it, browse. This is the task we have created. So my God, it's so simple, so interesting. So you can do all kinds of quiz or whatever activity you can do, explore and do it. Thank you for watching.